Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Now I've been suffering really bad with my acne, and it all started when I wasn't cleaning my skin properly. Now I have picked up 3 basic products which are so gentle on your skin, not expensive, and you can all do it, so you have no excuse, and they're all from Aldi. So I'm going to start off with the cleanser. Now this cleanser is Pink Clay Hot Cloth Cleanser. It's meant to be the dupe for Lizelle. Now I am a big fan of Lizelle, especially with the hot cloth, and oh, I love her products. Now when the pandemic started, most places were closed, and I was thinking, can I be bothered to go town? And I just thought, you know what, I need a cleanser, I need it ASAP. It was there, it was cheap, and I thought, oh, I know it's going to make me break out, but I thought, you know what, I need it in my life. So I brought it, and you know what, it's amazing. So I start off by cleansing off my makeup. So I will use, you know, the Nivea, the one that's half blue and half clear, and you shake it about. So I'll use that first to go in and take off my eye makeup and take off my lips, and then I'll chuck that. Then I rub this about, I'd say about 10p size, all over my skin, and I will go in and massage it very gently. Don't be aggressive with your skin, because it's like you're going to age yourself, and it's not good for your skin barrier. You're damaging your skin barrier. After I've removed that with cotton wool, damp cotton wool, I will go in again, because I feel like when you wear makeup and it's not just sitting on the epidermis, it does start to sink through your pores. It can clog up your pores, hence why you'll get breakouts and congestion in the first place. So what you need to do is you need to double cleanse, triple cleanse. So when I'm not wearing makeup, I will cleanse the first time, getting the thick SPF 50 off my face. Then I will go in the second time. When I'm wearing makeup, I literally cleanse 3 times, and you can't go wrong with this. It's just amazing. The makeup remover that I go in with is the Nivea one. And when I was in Aldi, I thought, you know what, I really need to take off my makeup. I need a makeup remover, the Nivea one. And then I thought, right, I'm going to drive down to Boots, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. And then I thought, you know what, I'm just going to get this one. And I thought, it's £2, is it going to work? And you know what, it really is amazing. It's so gentle. It's £2 from Aldi, and it's got vitamin E and organic rose, and it's vegan. I thought, oh, I don't know. I'm quite a skin snob, but I thought, you know what, it's a pandemic, worst things at sea, let's just go with it. And you know what, it's amazing. It's actually better than the Nivea, I think, anyway. Cotton pads, I think these ones were from Primark, but you can get these from Aldi. So these are the 3 products that have saved my skin from getting more acne. You need to clean your skin, guys. So even if you're not wearing makeup, say if you're at home, you're working from home, you haven't got any makeup on, you still need to cleanse. You still got debris, dirt, dead skin cells, sweat, your kids touching your face. My son's like holding my face and just having a conversation. I'm like, move your hands. I don't know where they've been. Move. Don't let kids touch your skin. I mean, if they do, it's fine, but clean your skin. You don't know what they've been touching. You know what kids are like, especially boys. So cleanse, day and night. And if you prefer a wash, go in with a wash to wake yourself up. So like when I'm in the shower, I use the Tri-Enzyme Elemis wash, which does not remove makeup at all. So that's why I use it, because it's in the shower. I like the foam, I love the way it feels, and it sloughs away and helps with like dead skin. I cleanse in the night. because I want to like really go in with the cream cleanser. So cream cleanser is fantastic for people with very dry skin. Okay, if you're very oily, I would go in with a wash, because washes are just amazing for people who have very oily skin. You don't have to. I mean, if you're one of those people who are dry but you like the feel of water, then you can use it, but just make sure it's very gentle and it's not stripping your skin. If you wear makeup and like double wear, you wear heavy makeup every single day, you will be best off with a balm, a cleansing balm, like an oily cleansing balm, because oil will break up oil. Like trying to use like a makeup that's like water based or cream based will help, but not really. It's not better than an oil balm, in my opinion. You know, everyone's different. I'm just telling you what I do, what I like, and what I prefer. Okay, you don't have to do that, obviously. So cleansing with a balm is fantastic for people who wear a lot of heavy makeup, getting off the eye makeup. And don't rub a lot. With the toner, it's hit and miss. I don't think it's necessary to buy a toner. I mean, I wouldn't lie awake worrying whether I have a toner or not, but if you do want to tone, use a toner that's suitable for your skin. So like if you are a person of colour, I personally would avoid the glycolic toner, using it every single day, like using it day and night. If you want to use it, but be very cautious, be very safe. Maybe use it once or twice a week. So like, say for example, if I was going to use it, I would use it on the days I'm wearing makeup. So say if I wore makeup like twice a week, I would go in with the toner then. But if I'm not wearing any makeup, I wouldn't use that, because it depends, because we can burn and we can get like hyperpigmentation, people of colour. So using something that's going to be quite strong for your skin, you need to be protected. Okay, so this video is basically about cleaning your skin, nothing else. And you know, the products I've shown you, they're the ones that I purchased, but they're not the ones that I will use on it every day. Now, my everyday cleanser to remove makeup is the CeraVe cleanser, which I love. It's a cream cleanser and it's fantastic for dry, dehydrated skin, because my skin is so dry. It's winter here. You know, the cold is just like, and the heat is just, it's taking all our moisture, guys, and this is why we get wrinkles if our skin has no moisture. So with the cleanser, I need to use a cleanser that's not going to strip my skin, and try to use a cleanser that doesn't have like alcohol or colouring or fragrance. Like, guys, who cares what the product looks like, who it looks like, what it looks like? I mean, I don't care if it doesn't smell like bloody roses. Who cares? I don't want my products to smell, because I mean, if you're not sensitive and you like the smell and you don't think it irritates your skin, go ahead and use it. But I cannot use products that are like reeking of fragrance. I'm trying to get so far away from products that have any fragrance in, because even if you're not having a reaction now, guys, later on it's going to do like long-term damage. Does that make sense? So always go in with a cleanser that isn't too expensive, because it's not going to be on your skin for long. So before, when I used to work with a certain company, their cleansers and toners were like £20 each, and I didn't mind paying that because I had no children and there was no pandemic. Now, like, I will not spend that on a cleanser. No way. I mean, I would spend like maybe £10-15 and it will be big and it will last me, and if I see results. But I would never ever use an expensive cleanser or toner ever, because it's not on your skin long enough. All the purpose of a cleanser and toner, guys, is to just bam bam clean your skin, and that's all you need to do, and that's all you need to worry about, is getting your skin clean. So cleanse and tone every single day. I mean, I know so many people and so many of my clients personally that just use wipes. Now, if you love using wipes, perfect. I can't judge. But after you've cleansed, put that to one side and do me a favour. Get another cleanser, pop about a 10p size all over your face. No, spread it on your hands or just dab it. Give it a good massage. Keep doing it. I would say massage for about 2 minutes. Get a clean cotton pad and damp one and just wipe over the area and just look at that. That, my friend, will not be clean. And that is what's left on your skin, and then you're going to bed with it on, sleeping with it on, and that's blocking your pores. And then when you start to get congestion, milian, breakouts, sensitive skin, that is why, because all that makeup you have not removed. So if you're the person that uses wipes and you think that's good, I want you to do that little experiment for me and just see that is on your skin and it's clogging up your pores. And I used to do the same thing, not with makeup, but with when I never wore makeup. I would like think, oh, you know what, I'm tired, I've just finished work, got to sort out the kids, I've got to do this, I've got to do that, I can't be bothered to do all that. So I'd just rinse my face with water, pat it dry, moisturise, and I'd go to bed. And then I'd wonder why I had breakouts, because I'm not washing off the dead skin, the bacteria, the debris, the sweat, and the SPF 50. That alone is so heavy and blocks your pores. You need to remove that. And it's not when I started cleaning my skin properly, I noticed the difference. Now, I'm going to link below in the comment section of the 3 products that I use or have used, but my amazing product that I do use and I do believe it's helped my skin is the CeraVe cleanser, the hydrating one, the one that's light green, that's for dry and dehydrated skin. Then for the wash, I use the Elemis Trienzyme wash. Now that is a little bit expensive and I got that as a present. I will not be purchasing that again. I mean, I did get another Elemis gift because I used to work for Elemis, you see, so my husband assumes I'm still obsessed with Elemis, which is, it's good, but I'm not that obsessed with Elemis anymore. When you start watching my YouTube videos, I'm going to link below my products, how I've changed, how I've evolved. So I have though just got the superfood from Elemis, the wash, the night cream, and the serum, the superfood serum. So I will be obviously using them, giving them a go, but just don't spend a lot of money because you don't need to. So I'm going to wrap this video up. So I'm just going to show you again. £2, guys, like you can't go wrong. And look at my skin, like it's amazing. Hot cloth cleanser. This is a dupe for Lizzo cleanser. Cotton wool. Clean that skin. Right guys, I'm going to love you and leave you, and I'll see you soon.